Alright, hey guys, welcome to Christmas Vlogs, guys. So, today, I wasn't planning on vlogging, but, because I was working today, but, out mowing and stuff. I got me a hamburger. What happened is, I was driving my escort, because I figured, hey, it needs driven, I have been driving the Subaru since before school's out. So I figured it needed driven, drove that, and it doesn't have new tires on it like the Subaru does, because I got them on there, put them on there, and the tire heated up, got flat. It was like only 24 psi when it should be at like 30, 35-ish, 30, 35-ish. So yeah, it was a little low. We drove it, me and my dad, got stuck on the side of the road about 2 miles out of town, so yeah, and it's a 12-mile trip. So we went about 10 miles on that. Went to the shop because CV joint's bad on that. I had so many issues with that. Whatever. Anyways, guys, yeah, kind of got stranded out on the side of the road. Then my mom had to come get us and take me into town so I could get my mowing done right here. Get the mowing done for my uncle. So, yeah. Also got a frozen Coke, so I'll see you guys later in the video. I'll try to get a drive-by because we're probably going to go home before coming back. So we left the keys at the towing company because we had to go throw them there. Instead of staying there for like 4 hours on a 100-degree day. So yeah, and the pool's almost up, so we can swim here about Friday or Saturday. So there should be a vlog on Monday, hopefully. I'm going to go mow, and I'll see you after that. Yeah, it's broke down. Alright guys, I'm home now. Escort's in the shop. Going to a tire place in Newton on this. And yeah, guys, so yeah, it's gonna be in the shop for about a day-ish, so because I have to put one new tire, and then we're probably gonna try to get all 4 tires replaced because those aren't really bad treads. So I'll see you guys later in the video when I hopefully pick it up or something. Hey guys, so I just got done putting spark plugs and wires in my Subaru Impreza, a 95 model. And the Escort, I'm about to go pick up in a couple minutes here. It is 4:20 on the clock, and yeah, some of you guys wanted to do this, so I might as well clear it up. The Escort, no, I'm not selling it. For the key fact is, I may be selling it here soon to somebody in my family. Because I'd rather sell to family than someone I barely know. Anyways, yeah, guys. And plus, there will be if it hasn't already came out, there'll be a 5 things I hate video for that and the Subaru Impreza. So, yeah. But, yeah, guys, I'll, see you here when we pick it up, probably. And luckily, we actually could, stop when the, tow truck driver was there, so we got a picture of him putting it up on the thing. So, yeah. we got some good footage. I didn't think we would. Hopefully some good thumbnail. Whatever, guys. I'll see you guys in town. Picking it up. Because we have to also pick my mom up. Because she's who saved me from being on the side of the road for hours and hours with the towing service. We just left the keys there at their terminal. Found the car. They didn't know it was here, but also the tire that blew gets bad. Apparently they're blowing all day because just is the first hot day. You know, it's flat. And then we got this one that's bubbling up and about to pop. If you can't see that, it is. So we're getting a set of new 4 tires. They need them anyways because of the tread, but they're about to pop, all of them. So we're gonna get some new one. I'm gonna get the thumbnail and we're good. Didn't know I'd see the car. Hey guys, we got some new Maxuses on these things. So on all 4. The one that was flat. Oh yeah, guys. I'll get in the car and get out of here. I'm gonna go to my grandma's and help her cut down a couple of trees and stuff, and then I'm going to garage selling. So yeah, that'll be in a different vlog. So guys, that's it. But of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.